Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change Spotify username on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open Spotify app on your iPhone. Now tap on gear icon, which is for settings, located at the top right side. Now tap on your current profile name to view profile. On the next screen, tap on edit profile. Now here you can change your Spotify username. Once done, tap on save button to update the changes. I will tap on cancel option as I don't want to change my Spotify username at the moment. So that was all about how to change Spotify username on iPhone. If you are looking for some amazing Spotify tips and tricks, then do check out this playlist. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.